Do you want to know how you can place live bets on using 1xBet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can place live bets using 1xBet. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, then search for 1xBet and then make sure that you logged into your account. Now you can see some of the live bets over here. If you scroll down, you can see some of the matches which will be taking place later, but this currently is taking place right now and you can bet on these. Now to place bets on live bets, you can go ahead and click on what you want to bet on. Let's suppose I want to bet on this game. I'll click on 1 and you can see on the right hand side the bet has already been there. Go ahead and click place a bet and then you can place live bets using 1xBet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.